The 2013 Mercedes GLK by Carlsson. Mercedes unveiled a revision for the GLK at the 2012 New Year Auto Show, but it looks like some tuners, though they could do a little better. Today, Carlsson did just that with the announcement of a sleek kit for the GLK that includes upgrades for the exterior and interior, plus some engine upgrades. Unfortunately, the engine upgrades are limited to just the GLK220 CDI. This version receives a C-Tronic module that increases the power output of the 2.1-liter diesel engine from the stock 168 horsepower to a slightly wilder 204 ponies and the peak torque from 295 pound-feet to an impressive 368 pound-feet. As for the GLK300 and GLK350 models, Carlsson has yet to develop a performance upgrade for them. For now, the tuner offers uprated springs and dampers that will lower the SUV's ride by about 1.18 inches and will significantly improve the SUV's handling on winding roads. On top of these performance and handling upgrades, Carlsson also offers a selection of aesthetic modifications. Click past the jump to see what exterior and interior mods Carlsson has in store for the GLK. Mercedes GLK by Carlsson. Carlsson took to task installing a new front bumper with an RS lip spoiler, a three-piece stainless steel mesh grille and chrome-plated inserts for the LED daytime running lights. These give the GLK a flashier look that is sure to draw plenty of attention. The rear was updated with a chrome-plated diffuser, flanked by cutouts for the chrome-coated outlets of the quad-pipe sports exhaust system. Carlsson offers a wide range of wheels for the GLK, ranging from 18 to 21 inches and in many different colors: 1/5 Evo DS Dark Series, Brilliant Edition B, Titanium Edition TE, and Graphite Edition GE. Don't go thinking that Carlsson spent all of its time on the outside and under the hood of the GLK. The tuner also announced a series of interior modifications that include an aluminum footrest and pedal set, door lock pins, floor mats, and stainless steel door sill panels with a lighted Carlsson logo.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.